In this video, I will guide you on how to enable two-factor authentication on TikTok. First, launch open the TikTok app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on the option of Security and Permission. Here, find the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on that. Right now, two-factor authentication is off. Now you want to select at least two methods. You can select phone, email, authenticator or password. Select any two of these options. If you want, you can select the authenticator app as well. Then tap on Turn On. Now you will receive a code like this. What you need to do is install an authenticator app, for example Google Authenticator. So go ahead and launch open Play Store or App Store and install this application. After it has been installed, scan the QR code or copy this key right here. Now open the Authenticator app. Then add an account for TikTok. Then enter the code from the Authenticator on the next screen. Once you have selected the code from the Authenticator app, head over to TikTok, tap on Next, and go ahead and enter that code. Once the code is verified, Google Authenticator will be linked to your TikTok account. The next time you sign in, you'll need to enter a new verification code from the Authenticator app as a part of two-step verification process. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.